I am Erin Flaherty, and the name of my shop is Flaherty's. My path as a builder is a general builder. I didn't want to be stuck with one genre. I wanted to take it to the other side with design and working with the clay that the original designers designed the car with. Basically try to better myself every day. The vehicle I'm bringing to SEMA this year is a 1970 Ford Bronco, customized by myself here at Flaherty's. I built it to look like Big Ole, the original Bronco that Bill Stroppe built for Parnelli Jones. Starting at the front of the Bronco, I totally redesigned the fenders myself in-house, starting with German plasticine clay, and resculpted the fender to actually be 4 inches out and up from its original position to actually accept the larger tire. Engine package, drivetrain package, is a 289 Ford, typical of what you would find in your 70s hot rod or Mustang. Carburetor and manifold, all secured with a K&N filter. Got the FILTERWEARS on there to keep the water out. King off-road racing shocks, 2.5-inch coilovers, Prerunner series. Of course, shoot in BF Goodrich KM2 mud terrains, 33-inch 1050-15. A custom aluminum wing we built here at Flaherty's that actually works, creates downforce on an electric linear actuator that's operated inside with a thumb switch. In the inside here is all business. Starting right there with a sidewinder shifter that controls the C4 automatic transmission. We just got Corbu seats with the G-Force racing harnesses, keep everybody safe in here. Of course, roll cage is DOM, 1 3/4, with all the triangulated bars that keep us safe and legal for racing most sanctions. A whole lot more other than just custom stuff on here. Everything is tailored to the way I want it to work, and I did it this way because that's the way I wanted to do it. We're 100% in the testing phase right now. Every piece on this vehicle I have a template for, and a pattern or a mold to actually recreate those pieces. So it's basically a test bed for a product that I would like to produce later on. If I were to win the battle of the builders, I would definitely have to come back and build some more. There would be no way that I could just stop. I mean, that would be kind of silly.